years old, and I like playing with toys and unwrapping toys. My favorite hobby is obviously playing with toys. That's why I have this YouTube channel, and I like having time with my family and friends. So the first toy that I have are some LOL dolls. I have LOL doll surprise, and then I have some LOL surprise pets. So I'm gonna try to unwrap this one with my fingers, but if it doesn't work, I'm gonna try with the scissors. So let's get started. So I'm gonna try to open it. Oh, it looks like it's gonna work. So you didn't need scissors for this. You just unwrap it very easily. Now you're gonna need scissors because there's some parts that they taped it, so you're gonna need some scissors for that. So this is what you should get when you're done unwrapping the LOL doll. So they have a magnify glass. So you can like see what the secret is. So this is what it is when you're done unwrapping it. So it says you have to open it again. So let's do that. Oh wow, guys, this is so nice. I like how they did, like when you're starting to unwrap it, you kind of see like the inside of the box. So we have a little secret here. Let's try to see what it is. So it says and then it gives like a little symbol and a pyramid. Here's what it is. So you guys can see what this symbol is. I think it says what it is at the bottom, so let me see. It says that it is at the Egyptian pyramids. If you guys can see that. So now let's put these two aside. Let's put this aside also. So now we're going to unwrap this part. Oh wow, they can give you a lot, I see. So this is what it looks like. So this is my first time undoing these, so I'm just gonna try. I guess you have to like match these like symbols together and then you undo it. And it looks like some of them are already undone. Wait, there are instructions that they gave us, so let's see what it says to do. So I was trying to do this and I saw the instructions. So this is what the instruction says, if you guys can see. So what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna put two diamonds together. So now let's put our diamonds. You ready for the grand surprise to open? Voila! It opened! Yeah, now let's see what comes inside. So we have a package like this. I wonder what's inside of it. Maybe it's like a purse or an accessory. Can never know. Looks like they gave us two surprises. This one feels very light. And then an LOL doll. So they wrap it up in this little thing, but the LOL doll is underneath it. So that's pretty cool. And then, so let's open this. This is very cool. So let's see what's inside. Oh, the head is like that. So I don't want to rip it or anything, so very excited to open this. Oh wow, we have a light-skinned hair girl with brown eyes. She's very pretty. Now we're just gonna take off her clothes. Okay, so this is what she looks like. I didn't even think they would put all these little details in it on her. So that's pretty cool. She's pretty chunky. So let's open this. This is very interesting because like, I feel like it's a purse or earrings or clothes. So let's open it first. So, whoa, I think, oh, it's her pacifier. So I'm assuming this one is a baby. So you put it on her like so, and then like this. So what she looks like. But I think that there's some more inside of here, so I'm just gonna wait for that. And then we're gonna open this one. This one's a bit more heavier than that. So oh, it looks like a little handbag for her. This is so cute. It's very small. It's like a little handbag. But I'm pretty sure that the clothes are inside of here. Or maybe these are her clothes. But that wouldn't make sense if this is her clothes. Okay? So let's put on her little backpack. So this is like hard because she's small. I don't want to rip it on her. Oh, so we got her little backpack on. It looks very cute with her little pacifier. But I think we need to find some clothes or we dip it inside the water. So after you open it, oh, so there's supposed to be a bottle. It says there's supposed to be a bottle in one of these. So we have to open this to get the bottle. So let's open it. Oh, so it says leprechaun and a devil face, like it says on there. So let's see if I'm correct. Oh, I am correct. So I'm gonna get this little one out. There's nothing left inside. Let's close it back. I am so excited to see what's inside, so let's open it and see. Oh, she has little shoes. Wow, this is so nice. See? They're so small. Just for her little feet. So you put them in her feet like so. So this is her little feet so far. As you guys can see. What she looks like. So let's undo the other one. So I'm gonna try. Oh wow, look how easy that came out. So let's see what is in the other one, or in the next one I should say. So it looks like it's her. Oh, she has a little drink. Wow, this is so nice. This actually turns out to be her bottle like the instructions said. So we gotta take out her pacifier and look how well it fits inside of her mouth. So this is her bottle. I wish she could hold it, but her hands are too far away. So it's her bottle. So let's sit her down for now. Sit down. So let's do this one. So this one, this is the big one. I think this one has everything that is needed. So let's open it. Oh, just that. That was easy. So this is what it is. I'm gonna guess this is gonna be her clothes because right now she doesn't have any clothes. So let's just rip this open. Oh, I was right. It is her clothes. Oh, she has like a little ladybug outfit. This is pretty cute. So let's undo it. So now let's put on her skirt. Let's take off her bottle. Okay, that's not gonna work because it's not how you put a skirt on. Or is it like this? I think it's like this. No, it's like this. Let's try on the shirt because we'll just leave the skirt for later. So let's take off her bag to put her shirt on. This little baby is way too cute. She has a little crop top. She has everything for a little baby. So, let's put this on her. If Edie wants to go through. Okay. So, ow. Okay. So this is what it's supposed to look like so far. Oh no, did I put it backwards? Yeah, I put it backwards. So, yeah, it's backwards. Like this. So I was like, why is her hand sticking outside? But when I look, it was backwards. So, put it like so. This is her shirt so far. From the back to the front. So now let's try to put on her pants or her skirt. So oh, this is so cute. Look at her. She has her little shirt with her skirt. And now let's put her back on her shoes. Her shoes back on. So now we gotta put her backpack on again. So, got it like that. Okay, so this is her final look with, oh, don't forget her pacifier. She's a baby. This is her final look. That's what she looks like. Oh, guys, don't forget about her little bottle. So just take this out real quick. And everything matches so well. That's my favorite part. Because she has a little bottle, her shirt, her skirt, her shoes, everything. So I can't even believe that my doll or my LOL surprise doll came out this beautiful. She is the beautiful LOL doll. I can't even describe her. She's so pretty. So this is what she is. Let me showcase her. So she's very pretty. And also in the instructions, it said to get her bottle, she could like drink it. So let's try that out. Okay, so let's see if she's gonna like squirt water as the book says. So we're gonna squirt her out. Okay, let's see. Squirt her inside some good, nice cold water. Like we take a little bath. Okay. Oh, it squirted on me, not on the water. Oh no. So let's try it. It's all coming out of her ear. I want her to come out of her mouth. I want to see that happen. I really enjoyed these LOL dolls. I understand like this was a very hard challenge for me to like undo these little things, but at the end of the day I still did it with all my patience and time for you guys. This is why I did this video. So, and I really love this LOL doll. She's so cute with her little bottle, her pacifier, and her skirt, her shoes, her bag, everything else. And please stay tuned for this LOL Pets, because today I didn't have enough time. I wanted the video to be too long. So next time I'll be able to do this LOL Pets for that video. So please stay tuned for this. So let me clear everything out so you guys can see what she is in the end results. So let's take her all out. So this is her with her little outfit, pacifier, and her bottle. So please give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And when you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Bye. Have a nice day.